Welcome to our bedtime class this evening. So grab a pillow or a bolster, and you can even do this in bed if you want to. Let's start in child's pose, and just take some deep breaths here, sinking into your hips. Think about releasing your weight into the ground. Let your head be supported by the pillow here. Let your arms be supported. Just relaxing. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Couple more breaths. Letting go of the tension from your day. Letting go of the to-do list. Staying present. One more breath and then come into downward facing dog. Use this pose as an opportunity to get out any last movement that you need to before you're ready to end the day. So I like to pedal the feet, lift the legs up one by one, shift my weight from side to side, getting a bit of a side stretch in, just whatever your body needs right now. It's so important to learn what our bodies need to rebalance, especially if it's been a long day for you, maybe of computer work or physical work like childcare. It can just leave our bodies out of balance as we rarely use our muscles symmetrically. And when you're ready, we'll meet in pigeon, so bring your right foot forward and bend it between your hands, relaxing down, sinking into the hips. And if it feels good, I invite you to relax down onto your pillow here. And breathe. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, letting your head be heavy, letting it be supported by the pillow. And breathe. Couple more breaths here. Nice, and we'll change back to downward dog and switching legs. So bring that left leg forward into pigeon, coming down onto your forearms if that feels good, and snuggling into that pillow. I love to do a hip stretch at the end of my days. We tend to hold a lot of tension in the hips, especially if we have been sitting. And just breathing intentionally here, bringing your attention to your breath. As other thoughts pull you away, just keep bringing it back to that inhale and exhale. Nice, and we'll change back to downward dog again. And we'll transition into a seated position. Grab your pillow here and just come into a cross-legged position, or if you'd like, you can also stack your legs so it's a bit of a deeper stretch. And pull your pillow towards you and just kind of hug your pillow in, which is very comforting. And we're just gonna lean forward here, just relaxing down into the pillow. Again, getting a bit of a hip stretch. And just breathe. The idea is we're just coming into these different shapes and allowing our bodies to relax into them. Try to release the tension in your neck. Let your head be heavy. Couple more breaths. Change and come up. Switch the crossing of your legs or stacking ankle to knee. And let's just return to that stretch, hugging the pillow in, squeezing it, and then back down. The pillow just makes this a really cozy stretch, just perfect for getting ready to sleep. Inhale here and exhale. On the exhale, just releasing down even more. Keep breathing. Bringing your mind back to your breath. Nice, and you can keep your pillow on your lap if you'd like. We're gonna do a really simple side stretch. So bring your left hand to your right knee and your right arm comes up, stretching over to the side. Inhale, stretching up, and exhale, relaxing down. Pillow is there for support as well. Just breathing into that stretch, feeling the extension on the inhale and the stretch on the exhale. And you can bring your hand to your head if you like. Add a little bit of extra support, a little bit of extra stretch. And switch sides, right arm to left knee and into our side stretch. Left arm comes up and exhale into the stretch. Breathe into those tight side muscles. And change. Let's come down into a twist towards the pillow. So position your body so that your hip bone is lined up with the pillow on your side. And then we're going to twist towards the pillow, bringing your arms kind of underneath it. Again, we're just hugging that pillow and kind of just feels like you're snuggling the pillow and should feel really cozy, but you should also feel a mild twist and just allow your head to relax down and breathe. Again, thinking about the tension releasing down from every area of your body as you allow the ground to support you. Deep inhale, long, slow exhale. And change, switching sides. So bring that pillow again, lining up to your hip, and then slowly lower down, bringing your arms underneath the pillow. And allow yourself to relax here. Gentle breaths. No force, no expectation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relaxing down into the ground. And change slowly coming out. Start to get very sleepy and heavy now with your movements. How we move our bodies really affects our mindset. So if you're preparing for sleep, make sure your movements are reflecting that. So now just bring the pillow right up to your tailbone as you lay down slowly onto your back and over the pillow into a very slight chest opening position. And extend your legs out in front of you. If you want, you can use a blanket over top as well. Enjoy this final relaxing pose. Deep inhale into the belly, into the chest. Long, slow exhale. Relax. Allow your head to be heavy, your neck relaxed, your hips relaxed, your legs relaxed. Everything releasing down. Ready to say goodnight. Just breathe. And I just invite you to stay here for as long as you can before heading into bed. Have a restful sleep.